Hi lovely viewers, I'm Kanak. Welcome to your very own channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Schezwan sauce. It is a very popular Indo-Chinese sauce which is made with lots of red chilies, ginger and garlic. This can be easily prepared at home and it plays an important role in making all kind of Chinese dishes. So over to my kitchen to see what you need for this. Heat the oil in a wok or in a frying pan. And now add the garlic. Next add the green chilies and the ginger and saute it for a minute on a medium flame. Cook it slightly for a minute so that the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away, but it should not change its color. Next add the prepared red chili paste. And the celery and mix well and cook for 2 more minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring it as it cooks and now mix in the vinegar, and after 2 minutes keep the flame on a very low heat and add the salt, sugar and again mix, and lastly add the tomato ketchup and simmer it till the sauce turns little thicker in consistency and starts oozing out the oil. Now if you want you can add some food color to it, that is perfectly optional. Now remove it from the flame and store it in any container or in the fridge and use as required. So my Schezwan sauce is ready with lovely vibrant red color, and it is an extremely flavorful sauce for all the spice lovers. You can just make this sauce in advance in large quantities and just put it in the fridge in any jar or container, and then you can use it later for any kind of leftover rice or noodles. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such recipes.